So welcome back to my Accounting 101 series of videos to help future business owners, accounting students, and everyone else interested in learning more about the fundamentals of accounting and finance. Hi, my name is Chris Passmore and I'm your social media CPA. So today is going to be a short one. We're going to just talk about the different reporting periods that a company can use to track its activity. And it's generally in the terms of the year. And so there are two different ways to report and to record your activity. There are companies that record all of their sales and expenses in a calendar year. And that concept's pretty familiar. That's just January 1st to December 31st. And they have a calendar year end. Sometimes you'll see it annotized as CY, but that's different. You have companies that use a fiscal year end. So you might wonder, what's the difference between a calendar year and a fiscal year? So a fiscal year is generally a period that is not a calendar. There are certain industries where they prefer to run from July 1st to June 30th of the following year, or some variation of that. It's just meant to be a reporting period other than a calendar year, and it's generally the same 12 months, but there is a ebb and flow of their business that they believe as a company owner that ending on December 31st does not make sense. Maybe they have a peak time in January or February of every year, so to end their reporting period right before that peak period doesn't make sense. So they would adjust their fiscal year then to follow the cycle of the business. I can tell you right now that for income tax purposes, generally most people follow the calendar year. You have the ability to change it, but generally it's January 1st to 12/31. For businesses in general, it varies. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. So again, that's the difference between your calendar year and then your fiscal year. If you have any questions about the calendar year or a fiscal year, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to talk further about this. And make sure to like and subscribe for more of my Accounting 101 courses. And I'm always available to talk further at my website, socialmediacpa.com.